Hello everyone, I'm Carlo and welcome back to another video. I hope you're all having a good day. It's rainy over here today, so I'm just trying to stay cozy, you know. But yeah, got this box in, this big ass box from an order I got from Nike. Well, I might as well just tell you. It is the Adapt BB. I got the chance to pre-order it, so yeah, we're just gonna unbox it and take a look at it, and I hope that I can do this in one take. So let's get to it. Box cutter, an actual box cutter, not some butter knife. Boom, boom, boom. I'm pretty stoked about this shoe. So I'm not a basketball player. I suck at basketball, but I'm pretty into the tech side of this, so I think it's pretty rad that you can own a self-lacing shoe. It's not like super affordable, but for the tech that's in it, I feel like it's affordable. But yeah, whew, this is a big box. Boom. Nike Adapt BB in my size 8. That's actually the lowest size they have, so that's all I was able to get. And yeah, I have my phone here. You do need to download an app. It is the Nike Adapt app, which I've already downloaded. But yeah, let's continue with the unboxing. I don't know how to open this thing. This thing is so big. Okay, so there is a top cover. Cool. And then your actual box, you have two little flaps on the side there, and that's what you're gonna use to open the box, I think. I hope I don't break it. Oh my gosh. That's one flap, and that is the other flap. Okay, I don't know where to put all these pieces for the shoe. I can already smell it. It smells good. That's always a plus. Holy crap. These are cool. Maybe I'll start playing basketball because these are super rad. Look at that. So cool. Self-lacing. If you go on Nike's site and look up the Adapt BB, you'll see the underside of this whole mesh upper and where the laces are. So that's super cool. Yeah, I don't know what else to do. This crazy shoe tree. And like smells good. They do look a little big. I mean, they're a basketball shoe, whatever. I guess I'm just used to slimmer shoes, but yeah, these are sick. A lot nicer in person than in pictures, for sure. I really am digging this double swoosh right here, and then the swoosh on the midsole. That is a cool little detail. Then you have your other shoe. I'm not gonna take that one out for now. And then your charging pad. That's so sick that it comes with a charging pad. Dude, technology, what a time we live in, you know? Let's see if, are there instructions? How do I do this? Do I open this? Instructions. So charging pad, you have your cables and all that stuff in here. Dude, look at this. That's nice. It's like a scale for your shoe, but not a scale because it's a charger. Alright, let's see how to do this. Maybe I should open the app up. I haven't opened it up yet. I don't want to ruin anything here. just put things to the side. My table's just become a mess, so it is what it is. Nike Adapt app. Okay. Push and hold any button on the side of the shoe for 1 second. Whoa. It's on. Let's get started in the app. Continue as myself. How'd they know? I don't know. The Nike The Nike Adapt app knows it was me already. It's probably connected to sneakers. Dude, this is... I just can't get over how sick this is. And it smells good. Don't you guys just love the smell of shoes? Okay, so my app is trying to work right now. Okay, I have to log in again, so give me just a second. Logging in. Adapt. Nike Adapt. Welcome to the future of your adaptive footwear. Let's connect your Nike Adapt BBs. Hold near buttons. Connecting. That's crazy. Right shoe found. Okay. Is that okay? Just my right shoe? Do I need to do my left shoe? So Bluetooth pairing request, yes. Pair to my shoe. Press any button on the right shoe to connect to your device. Cool. Sorry, this isn't like a comprehensive tutorial on how to set it up. I'm just going through it and getting very excited. Seriously though, since Back to the Future, who here has wanted a self-lacing shoe? Let me know. I did, so, and now it's happening. Hello. Connect. Connect. Trying to connect to my left now. It's not working. Oh, there it is. Pair. Left shoe found. Press any button on the left shoe to connect it. I'm gonna leave the shoe trees into the left shoe. Adjust your shoes and find the perfect fit. Sorry, that's super ghetto. I'm just in my room here with my makeshift table, trying on these shoes. Let's see. Okay, so they're a little tight. Can't really put them on unless they're already like tied. Don't worry, they won't get too tight. Okay. I can't get it on. Okay. I am going to leave the shoe tree in there. Look at that. I have the shoe on. This is like the weirdest video I've ever done, but whatever. Start adapting to my feet. Whoa. Whoa. What? Oh, okay. So it starts at the left, and now I'm going to try and fine-tune the right. Oh man, I accidentally pressed the software update, so we're gonna wait for this real quick. Right side. Whoa, okay. So with this thing, whoa, this is so crazy. You can move the L or the R up and down, and that will loosen or tighten your shoe. So I'm loosening them up right now. Feels great. Gonna tighten them up. Feels less great because they're really tight, but still crazy cool. Just gonna loosen it up. let's try the color thing. Is it color changing on my shoe? How do I do this? Oh, the color is changing, as you can see. Bright crimson, laser orange, opta yellow, electric green, green spark, white, aurora green, hero blue, racer blue, vivid purple, pink, red orbit, bright crimson, total orange. Okay, now we're just going back in circles. But you can change the color of the lights on the shoe to your preference, customize, you know. So yeah, I think that is it. I don't have anything else. That was the unboxing, and we kind of just went into setting up the shoe. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please let me know. Subscribe if you want. Get notifications if you want. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.